Hey, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will make this beautiful bow. A great project for beginners because we only need small pieces of fabric. You can make it as accessories for bag, dress, hair, and many more. So, let's get started. The materials we are going to need are small pieces of fabric, scissors, needle and thread, hair clips or pins depending on your preferences, a hot glue gun to attach the hair clip or pins. Then lining fabric and ironing tool are optional. Let's talk about the fabric. You can use any scrap fabric. Satin silk, cotton fabric, satin silk mixed with cotton, knit fabric, or even fabric with beautiful texture. After prepare your fabric, let's talk about the size. The final result of this bow is about 15 by 9 centimeters. To make this bow, I use 17 by 15 cm for the larger part and 17 by 7 cm for the middle part, and this is for the finishing. It's about 15 by 8 cm. You can always modify the size of this fabric. To make it easy, I provided an exclusive pattern on my Etsy. Feel free to visit and grab it through the link in the description. The pattern is available in 5 sizes, so you can confidently cut your favorite fabric. Place the fabrics with the right sides together. Then sew a straight line here. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew this by hand. If you are wondering about my seam allowance, it's about 3/4 centimeters. Now we are going to join the other edge together and sew a straight line once again. But this time, leave a gap in the center. Also, to simplify things for you, I've included the no-sew mark on my pattern. Place the pattern fabric right in the middle, then press the seam open. Flip the fabric over. This is optional. I would like to add lining fabric inside the bow. You can use sponge fabric, felt fabric, or fusible interfacing, usually used in collar. As long as it has something inside, the bow will look sturdy and not floppy. If you really like floppy bow, it's highly recommended to skip this part. The size should be a little smaller than our fabric. Mine is about 17 by 9 centimeters. Overlap together and sew the sides to finally close the bow. Trim the lining fabric a little. Turn the fabric inside out through the opening. You will have a perfect rectangle shape. Give it a little press. All we have to do is measure on the longer part. Mark the exact center, then draw a straight line. This is fabric marker. You can draw any fabric, then wash it using only water. It's very convenient. Purchase link is in the description. Thank me later and you're welcome. Use needle and thread. Make the folds in the center. For this bow size, you can sew 6 to 8 times. This way we can leave the opening hidden perfectly. Tie it, then secure the thread. Attach your hair clip or pins. I use hot glue gun to make it quick. You can also sew it for more secure. To finish the bow, take the last piece of fabric, fold it in half, and sew a straight line. Turn it over. Make it a little fold on both ends. Then attach it with the seam on the outside. Sew this for the last time. To make it tight, shift your needle to the left so it will turn out beautiful. Trim the excess fabric. Turn it over. Attach some glue to make it stays in place. That's it! Our beautiful bow is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe. Any questions, leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!